Hi everybody, this is Trees. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I had to do this video because I've always wanted to do this ever since I went to Joe's concert 2 weeks ago as of today. And it was a wonderful night. It was very fun, even though I was in the nosebleed seats in Fox Theater in Pomona. That's okay. I had a really great time, and I decided I just decided to wear the in honor of the the two. I'm silly. Okay, 2 week anniversary when I went to Joe's concert. As of today, I'm gonna do my makeup tutorial on what I wore, the makeup I used to see Joe in concert. Let's get started. Okay, I already put my concealer from Revolution. If you want to know what it is, it's Eye Bright Corrector. It's in the shade light to medium. I use it as my eyeshadow primer usually. And so I'm gonna copy this look to this eye right here. So again, let's get started. Okay, so it's all except for my lip gloss. I'll show you what I'll show you what it is. I'll tell you what it is. It's just all the Stranger Things MAC products. So okay, so again, I'm just using eyeshadow shades that are named after, that's associated with Joe Keery's character, which is Steve Harrington. So I'm going to use this pink, bubblegum pink shade called Starcourt Mall. I'm going to use this fluffy blending brush by Essence. And I'm going to put in this crease. I don't want to put way too much. All right, so I'm gonna move on. I'm gonna use this flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna put this yellow gold color called Dingus. Gotta wear that. That's Robin's name for Steve when they first worked with each other in Scoops Ahoy, and he got on our nerves and stuff like that. Okay, I put Dingus on the lid. Okay. Next, yeah, I'm gonna go for neutral on the top lid of my eye. A little bit. I'm almost done with this part, and then one more shade, USS Butterscotch. It's like a bronzy, goldish, bronzy color. I'm gonna put that on my. Oops. I'm gonna put it in my brow bone, and then I'm gonna blend it. Brush it down to my crease. Okay. So that's the top part of my eye. That's that with it's. Oh, by the way, it's from the class of 1986. By the way, I have to mention it because it's like a limited edition. Okay, on to the Void palette. I only use 2 shades. Well, no, before I put 2 eyeshadows, I'm gonna use this. I didn't use. I should have used it just for more pigmented and long lasting. I used Max Color Excess eyeliner gel pencil in Perpetual Shock. It's a lovely blue color, very 80s. So I'm gonna put it like this. Yeah, I don't want to put way too much. Now I can do this. Now I can use the Void palette. So over that Perpetual Shock liner, I'm going to put Creel House's shimmery blue color. I'm going to put in 3/4 of my outer lash line like this. Okay. I use this eyeliner, double-ended eyeliner brush by Stila. Okay, I'm gonna put one more. I'm gonna put this this greenish shimmery shade called Demo Bat. Yeah, based on where Steve went to for the final scene in season 4's season finale. He went to Creel House, did a battle with Vecna, and then Demo Bat. He was bitten. He was attacked and bitten by the Demo Bat. Luckily, at least we all know that he was very lucky to be alive. And Nancy and Robin, they all came to rescue him, mainly Nancy. Okay, so that's that. The blush that I used is, it's called, it's right over here. It's called Friends Don't Lie. It's like a bubblegum pink bright blush. This is what it looks like on my cheeks. I'm not wearing any foundation whatsoever. And I used it with the Max 150S brush, the fan brush, and I just went like this, like aiming for like the cheekbone area versus like apples the cheek. I went for the cheekbone area to make things up because I have full round cheeks. Anything else? I look, I'm almost done. I might as well do this one. So for my mascara, little 80s inspiration, you know. I use Bad Gal Bang lash. It's the blue one. So I'm gonna put it on right now. Yeah, I was in a hurry to, from work and all that stuff, and, trying to go there on time as soon as possible. I'm putting my bound lash line too, so. Okay. For the finishing touch, I wore this beautiful lip gloss. It's neutrally a little deep, like my lips but better. Again, slightly deep, and it's Kiki's Cosmetics, called the Upside Down. So it's like, it looks like half black, half red, and then merged together, it comes up with this beautiful sheer plum berry color, and that's about it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye.